mukenge dusangire ikiyago dusangire kagasato iryo niryo ragi ry'abasogokuru dukunda Uburundi n'igihugu ciza cane tuganeza Uburundi n'igihugu cahezagiwe Umurundi ari mu mahanga yishimire kwitwa Umurundi nawe avuga neza igihugu cakwibarutse Umurundi ari mu mahanga yishimire kwitwa Umurundi kandi nawe yubahishe igihugu cakwibarutse erega turi bamwe twose rimwe tuvuge rumwe imigambwe n'amoko iyo tuva ntibituganze kunda Uburundi tubukundishe nk'abandi dukunda Uburundi bwacu kuko aribwo mpezo yacu abarundi twese hamwe bigishanye gukunda igihugu dukunda Uburundi bwacu kuko aribwo mpezo yacu abari mu mahanga dushora imitahe mu gihugu dukunda Uburundi bwacu kuko aribwo mpezo yacu abari mu Burundi dusigasire amahoro dukunda Uburundi bwacu kuko aribwo mpezo yacu twibukanye gukunda igihugu cyacu akurya umwana akunda mama wiwe twe muri sokwe nirunze tureke kwitana bamwana akahise kabi tukemerane dutegurane kazoza ke twigishanye gukunda igihugu cyacu, akurya umwana akunda mama wiwe, be muri sokwe nirunze tureke kwitana bamwana, akahise kabi tukemerane dutegurane kazoza keza, erega Uburundi ni jewe nawe, jewe nawe turabavukanye, dusangire umukenge, dusangire ikiyago, dusangire kagasato, iryo ni ryo ragi ry'abasogokuru. Kunda Uburundi tubukundishe nk'abandi, dukunda Uburundi bwacu kuko aribwo mpezo yacu, abarundi twese hamwe twigishanye gukunda igihugu, dukunda Uburundi bwacu kuko aribwo mpezo yacu, abari mu mahanga dushora imitahe mu gihugu, dukunda Uburundi bwacu kuko aribwo mpezo yacu, abari mu Burundi dusigasire amahoro, dukunda Uburundi bwacu kuko aribwo mpezo yacu.
President of the Federal Republic of Somalia undertook a walking visit to the Republic of Burundi on 15th November 2023. His Excellency Hassan Sheikh Mohamud, President of the Federal Republic of Somalia, led a high-level delegation of ministers, senior officials of the Federal Republic of Somalia. On his command by His Excellency Ambassador Albert Shingiro, Minister of Foreign Affairs and Development Cooperation, and other ministers and senior officers of Burundian government. In the afternoon, the two heads of state, in cordial manner, held a tete-a-tete bilateral meeting during which they affirmed their strong commitment to deepen the long-standing bilateral ties not only between our two governments, but also between the Burundian and the Somali people. The two heads of state reviewed the state of bilateral cooperation between the two friendly countries and stressed the need to strengthen the bilateral relations and the close cooperation based on trust and common interests for both governments and their respective people. His Excellency Hassan Sheikh Mohamud warmly commended his Burundian counterpart, His Excellency Evariste Ndayishimiye, for his tireless effort to contribute to the restoration of peace, security, stability in Somalia through the African Transition Mission in Somalia, ATMIS. Likewise, in this regard, the two leaders paid a deserved tribute to Burundian Somali National Army and other ATMIS troops in the front line fight against terror group Al-Shabaab. His Excellency Hassan Sheikh Mohamud also commended His Excellency Evariste Ndayishimiye for his contribution to the restoration of peace, security, and stability in the eastern of DRC through the Nairobi process and the contribution of Burundi in the peacekeeping operation in Central African Republic. His Excellency Evariste Ndayishimiye, President of the Republic of Burundi, expressed his gratitude to His Excellency Hassan Sheikh Mohamud, President of the Federal Republic of Somalia, for his walking visit to the Republic of Burundi and commended his tireless efforts for peace, security, democracy, development in his country, the Federal Republic of Somalia. At the bilateral level, the two heads of state commended the establishment of the Joint Permanent Commission for Cooperation, JPCC, to lay out a framework of bilateral cooperation between the two countries in various sectors, including trade and investment, capacity building, agriculture, education, health, tourism, defense and security, political consultations for the mutual benefit of the two countries and their respective people. To further strengthen, deepen, and warm up the close cooperation between the two countries, the two heads of state underscored the urgent need to convene a session of the Joint Permanent Commission for Cooperation, the JPCC, in the near future. They therefore directed the Minister of Foreign Affairs to organize a session of JPCC next year at the date and the venue to be confirmed through diplomatic channels. At the regional level, the two heads of state reaffirmed their firm commitment to the 2030 Agenda for the United Nations, 2063 of the African Union, 2050 of the East African Community, and the implementation of the African Continental Free Trade Area to stimulate intra-African trade, economic growth, prosperity within the continent. The two heads of state reiterated their commitment to East African Community priorities 2022-2026, such as full implementation of the single customs territory, enhancing domestication for regional commitments in line with the East African Community Common Market Protocol, and strengthening regional peace, security, stability, and good governance. The two sides also reviewed the regional and international situations of common interest, including those related to DRC and the Sudan issues. The two sides stressed the importance of full support of the international community to the current regional effort to reach a comprehensive political solution in DRC crisis based on Nairobi and the Rwanda processes. On Sudan, the two leaders highlighted the urgent need to cease fire immediately, to allow humanitarian assistance and find lasting solution to the conflict in Sudan through dialogue and cooperation. At the international level, the two heads of state expressed their deep concern about the security situation in the world, marked by the proliferation of direct conflicts between states and the proxy wars in several regions, and called on all countries concerned to use diplomatic tools such as dialogue, negotiations, cooperation to find peaceful solutions to the security challenges facing the world at this very, very difficult moment.
Kemerane, tegurane kazoza keza, erega Uburundi, jewe nawe, turabavukanye, sangire umukenge, sangire ikiyago, sangire kagasato, iryo ni ryo ragi ry'abasogokuru.